So we are back on the Corbett estate. This is house number 4. We're currently working on the Corbett estate. The scaffolding went up on Saturday morning. So this one will be getting underway later part of the week. So what we're doing for the client on this project is brick cleaning, all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Once all the brickwork's been cleaned, we'll be cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks. So all of these bad spalling bricks that are all blown, we'll be cutting out and replacing them properly. We won't be doing brick repairs that we keep seeing on Instagram now. People just doing brick repairs and not cutting the brick out properly. It's just easier to cut the brick out and replace it properly. It's going to last a lot longer than a cement brick repair that's been colour toned in cement tones. It's not going to last a couple of years, so we'll be cutting all of these bricks out and doing them all properly, as I say. What else we're doing on this project? As always, a lot of these houses on the Corbett estate, all of the decoration work's always in such bad condition. All the paint's always blistered and flaky, so this has all got to come off. Heat gun all of this off, restore all of the stonework, and then we'll decorate everything. But all of the window sills all got to be stripped. The bases of the columns, all of the columns, even the house next door, you can see the painting on these on this estate. They just really suffer. I mean, look at that one up there, all of the painting, all of the flaky paint underneath the windowsill. So it's all got, the preparation's got to be done properly on these for it to last. More spalled bricks that will be being cut out and being replaced. Just show you a little bit upstairs. Do have some really lovely features on here. That's a different design we haven't seen above the front door before. That all paint there, let's see how badly blistered and all of that is. So that's all going to have to be heat gunned off, taken back to stone. Yeah, bad bricks in areas that are all spalling, you can see through there. I think there might be quite a few bricks on here. You normally find a lot of this pointing will be holding a lot of these faces of the bricks together. So once we cut it out and clean it, we'll have a better understanding of how many bricks we've got to replace. There you go, for example. Just turned to dust. So that's normally what happens with a brick repair. People will cut them out not deep enough, then they'll do a brick repair like this and it just falls off. So we always cut these bricks out properly. Oops. Same sort of thing now, been repointed and sand and cement in areas. This is what happens, doesn't let the brickwork breathe, holds moisture, and then the faces of the bricks will just start to pop off. So yeah, it's quite bad up on this elevation. I'm not going to make too much mess because we're not starting yet, but this is the result of using wrong mortars. Again, real bad condition, this stonework on here. Quite a lot to do on this job. And then upstairs, what we're working with upstairs, let's have a look. Yep. Spalling bricks and paint stripping up here. So this will be another quite a big job. Sorting all of this one out, stripping all of this paint, all of these bricks being replaced. It's going to be a good 4 weeks work on here minimum. So we shall get cracking with this at the later part of the week. Hopefully the weather's still as nice as it is now at the end of the week, and we get a good run of weather and start crashing out some of these jobs. I think we're fully booked now till about December, so trying to still get as many people booked in as possible. I know we're already taking bookings for January and February next year, but we want to try and get all of our jobs completed on timeline for all these customers that have been waiting patiently for us, as they always do. So yeah, we'll show you some more progress of this project in the next couple of weeks and transform this property back to its original features for the customer. So if you've got any questions, as always, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you as always. Thank you very much. So this is an update video of one of our projects we've been working on the Corbett estate in Catford. So just a little update video of how we're getting on. So all of the brickwork's been cleaned on the front of the property now. Cut out and replaced all the damaged bricks, 240 bricks in total, really badly damaged. bricks on the front of this property, so cut out and replaced all of them bad bricks. Then the lads have repointed all of the brickwork in a penny roll style. So I'm going to give you a little close-up of how it's all looking up here. So as always, perfect finish to the brickwork as always. What's next to do now is the stonework. So once we finish the job around the corner, we'll be coming here, getting all this loose, flaky, cracked paint off all of the stonework, burn it all off, then restore all of the stonework underneath, square all of the stonework up, make sure all the window sills are all lovely and square and perfect, all of the bases, see how badly cracked it is, all the old paint on all of the window heads, all the capitals, all the old loose flaky paint. So all this all got to be heat gunned off now, get it back to the original stone, and then restore everything and decorate it. Same sort of thing upstairs. So we've still got quite a lot to do here on the decorating side of things. It takes such a long time getting all this paint off all of the stonework. Then we'll probably look at painting this or getting my roofer to replace this with a UPVC maybe, or new ply, whatever the customer wants to go for, new wood finish or overclad it, whatever. But looking perfect so far, lads done a really good job. Just chatting to the lady there, she was really happy with how everything's came out, and looking forward now to getting all the painting work underway. So this is just another project on a Corbett estate being restored to the highest standard as always. So if you like the look of this project, or you want a Corbett estate, you want a free quotation for any services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries as always. Thank you very much.